Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Wow, people, Dancehall skilla there again with more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Manners and respect. Alright, now on the 31st of July, the year 2022, funeral service had been held for the mother and her 4 children who had been killed within Clarendon, Jamaica sometime earlier this year. That's within the year 2022. The Prime Minister of Jamaica and other politicians from within the country of Jamaica attended the funeral service, viewers and subscribers. And a well-known person on social media who goes by the name of L.A. Lewis also attended the same funeral service. Now, in my point of view, that funeral might be one of the biggest funerals that have been held within the country that is known as Jamaica. I mean, I saw a crowd, viewers and subscribers. See? And that's based on videos that I saw on social media. Anyways, now, I got the understanding that during the funeral service, L.A. Lewis sat in a seat that was reserved for someone. Allegedly, it is said that the seat was reserved for a family member of those persons who died. Alright, now, I saw more than one videos posted on social media about this whole situation. One of those videos had been recorded by L.A. Lewis himself. I got the understanding that L.A. Lewis was asked to get up out of the seat or remove from the seat, of viewers and subscribers. Now, in my words, and based on certain things that I saw and heard in one of those videos, I got the understanding that a female said some things to L.A. Lewis that goes like this: go outside, go back a back, I don't want argument. See, the female also said more things as well to viewers and subscribers. That's what I said to you. And in my point of view, L.A. Lewis complied. See, for you to get a better understanding about this whole situation, I'm going to present one of those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, here's the video. Look, listen, and observe.
And would hardly function in the classroom, wondering if this was really and truly real. Kenisha was such an ambitious young woman who was always trying to push herself forward to ensure that she would be able to maintain and sustain her children financially and otherwise. I was also instrumental in the area of writing and signing documents. Sorry, we need an ambulance driver. We are needed right now. There's an emergency. Where location? At the front, sorry. I was also instrumental in the area of...
Alright, so big him up for not really create a big scene when it comes down to that situation, because if there's some people who knows what might happen. You see me, I say, alright, so even though that happened to L.A. Lewis, viewers and subscribers, see, other things happened that involves L.A. Lewis during the funeral service and at the graveside. You see me, I say, alright, so I'm going to present a piece of an entire video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, during this piece of video, you can hear quite a number of persons yelling and shouting L.A. Lewis's name, right in the presence of politicians who was at the funeral service and other persons who was at the funeral service for the mother and her 4 children. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
Put your hands together for him. Thank you so much. Am I missing out anyone? Come on, put your hands together again when you're happy. Come on, put your hands together. He's doing a tremendous job. Please forgive me for not having the names done. Sorry. So sorry. Who are we missing? Who?
I talk about? L.A. Lewis have fans out there. You see me, I say, my people? Yeah, man. It's good to point out the good with the bad. You know, if certain things bad happen, yeah, no problem. But point out the good too. You see me, I say, my people? Yeah. Oh, and I also got the understanding that L.A. Lewis gave money to a certain amount of persons at the graveside for the mother and her 4 children who had been killed within Clarendon. Yeah, so I got the understanding that L.A. Lewis gave money to persons at the graveside for the mother and her 4 children who have been killed, viewers and subscribers, and that includes persons who help when it comes on to working on the grave for the mother and her 4 children who have been killed. So I say, yeah, I see a video on social media that shows L.A. Lewis holding a certain amount of cash. 7. L.A. Lewis also opened a bottle of wine or champagne and it had been spilled at the graveside on wreaths and so on. Yeah. In my point of view, L.A. Lewis totally take the people attention. In my point of view, I think that L.A. Lewis do good. You know what I mean? But it's just that when it comes down to social media, some of the times you have some persons who point out the bad more than the good. You see me I say? So big up L.A. Lewis. Sometimes I wonder if L.A. Lewis is a social media genius or if he just make mistakes and it just somehow work out. You see me? Because somehow L.A. Lewis just remain relevant when it comes down to social media. You see me I say, my people? But anyways, big him up. Alright, so I have another piece of video that I'm going to present to you. Now, this piece of video that I'm about to present to you is from the same video that I got another piece of video that I presented to you earlier in this video. See? Yeah, so I'm just presenting piece more of the same video to you, my viewers and subscribers. So that's, you can have a better understanding about the funeral service and so forth. You see me? Yeah, you can say Andrew Holness and other persons in this video, viewers and subscribers. And when I say other persons, I mean there was a lot of people at the funeral. So here's the video. Look for yourself and you can tell me what you think. Observe my people.
The following day. So on that Monday, she would have done all 3 of her tests, and teacher said she sailed through on cool breeze and she gave her a high five. And when she was leaving, she said, "Tomorrow, Miss replied, I'll see you tomorrow, my baby. We are still waiting for tomorrow."
Let's go pause. Please excuse me, we're going to ask everyone to stand because we are seeing some of the members of government coming in. Honorable Senator Williams, she's walking on the platform. Honorable Barbara Shaw coming in at this moment. I just see Honorable Bob the Green. If you could escort them all on the platform, they should be actually coming. Oh, Honorable Bob the Green doesn't want to see you. Jamaica. We give about that. All right, I'm going to ask everyone to stand at this moment. The Honorable Prime Minister, Most Honorable Anthony, Prime Minister of Jamaica, will you stand everywhere and let us be ready for all welcome. Everyone, keep on clapping here. It's a very, very hard experience for any prime minister, for any leader. as much as put your hands together again for the Prime Minister, Honorable and Prime Minister. Alright, we are going to continue with the program. You will hear from these distinguished guests later on.
Alright, so I also saw another video on social media, viewers and subscribers, and based on some things that I saw and heard in that video, I wonder if whatsoever happened between L.A. Lewis and Babsy Grange is over or if it is not over. Yes, so me answer my people. Yeah man, and you know, L.A. Lewis had been mentioned in posts that have been made on social media by credible news sources within the country of Jamaica. Yes, so me I say, me I talk about some real news outlets, credible news sources. Yes, so me I say, yeah man, Prime Minister of Jamaica had been mentioned as well, and other politicians, yes, so me I say, and certain things have been talked about. So my people, just I give you some info when it comes down to that whole situation. Now just focus on the negative part alone. Me I talk about the good too. See? My condolences to the friends and family of the mother and her 4 children who had been killed within Clarendon, Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. And when we say family of the mother and her 4 children, I'm not talking about the person who is said to be the cousin of the female who had been killed. You see? Because he had been arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica for the death of the mother and her 4 children. And he also pleaded guilty. I'm not going to mention the name. I think that most of Jamaica know about this whole situation in my point of view. Yeah, man. Yeah, so me I left it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.